Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a creeper from Minecraft. So first let's get started with the shape of our head. So on the top we're going to draw in a straight line, bringing this over on the right. Starting on the top in both corners now, we're going to curve this line out and then back down. Starting back in the middle again, we're just going to curve this line further out towards the side of our page, bringing that in, making it slightly smaller. And now again from that point, we're just going to curve this line down and then in towards the side. Now from here, we're going to draw in another straight line coming directly down toward the bottom of our page. And we're going to end these both at the same height. Now from here in the corner again, we're going to curve this line out, back in. And then again in the middle, curving this further out and then up. And then now we're going to close off the square with another straight line directly across. Now moving in towards the center of our face, let's draw in our eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a square. And now let's leave a gap coming over on the right and just replicating that, drawing that at the exact same size. Now in the middle for the mouth, coming underneath both eyes, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across. We're going to bring this line down on both sides, ending that at the same height. Now from here again, let's bring that line out. And then again, we're just going to bring this line directly down towards the bottom of our page. Now from here, we're going to bring this line in towards the middle. Let's bring this line up towards the top. And then we're going to draw in a straight line across. Now in the top corner, we're going to curve this line around and then back out. And then as we move over on the left, we're going to replicate that, just drawing that twice. Now let's move down and draw in our body. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then again, moving down, curving that out, back in. Let's draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. And now from here, we're going to draw in the legs. So stepping into the center, coming over on the side, we're going to bring this line out and then down. And then we're going to move over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that, and we're just going to make sure we leave a gap in the middle. We're going to bring this line directly across, curving that out and then in. And then again, as we move down, just drawing in another small curved line, curving that out, and then bringing that line all the way in towards the corner. Closing off the rest of the foot now, moving down, we're going to arch this line down and then up. And then from here, we're going to bring this line directly down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. And now let's close off the bottom with a small curved line. And then in the middle for the body, just drawing in a straight line, closing that off. Now let's add in the details. So on the right, we're going to draw in a square. Diagonal to that, we're going to replicate that again. On the left-hand side, let's draw in another square. Let's draw in the hair now. So we're going to curve this line up and then across. And then we're going to move down and replicate this on the right. Now for the toes, we're going to draw in 3 arch lines, making those even as we come all the way over towards the corner. And then now on the top, curving this line over. And then moving down, let's replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw a creeper from Minecraft. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.